Hey guys, MD Polo here at Range USA in Carmel, Indiana, my home away from home. We're going to do something a little bit fun today. We've got the Walther PDP Pro SD with a RMR on top. And we've got my Glock 17 Dynamic Weapon Solution Slide 509T with an Apex. I'm just going to see at 7 yards how they compare. Nothing scientific, just a little 7-yard shot. I'm going to the top left. I pulled that one left. Oh, flinch. Did you see that flinch? Gotta be proud of that one. Once again, riding that big surfboard size slide. Now we're going to go to the top right. We're shooting Ammo Inc. 115 grain. Top right corner. Oh, I pulled that one down. Totally different trigger feel. This one does lock back. The empty. You can see the difference. See if it's on frame. The sides of the slide lock. With a Glock, I can get my full thumbs forward grip without riding the slide lock. And with this, I'm right on it. Easy to fix with training, but that's just the way it works. Let me turn it around. And this was the Walther. This was my flyer with it, but that was the group with the Walther. And this is the group with the Glock, and that was the flyer on that one. So what do you think? Walther Pro SD or Glock 17 with Apex trigger and Dynamic Weapon Solutions? Let me know your thoughts. Thank you very much for stopping by, and as always, God bless.